that gives me the confidence saying that if I did this reoptimization every month for the last 9 years, what would be my result? So it's not a simple back test. We just get all the data and you optimize it to death. So you get like 1,000,000% profit. And then the moment you start trading this, it doesn't work. I've done this in the past. I learned my mistakes. Here I'm saying the market is dynamic. It constantly changes and I have to change with the market. And here is my custom system that checks if I changed with the markets in the past, what would have been my returns? Again, we know it's a market and everything might change tomorrow and literally, probably today, everything might change because the PDT rule is going to be canceled, as far as I remember today, which means that we will have
today.
Exactly. Shit a lot of traders who know nothing. And these guys will be buying the lunar and I and all these buzzwords, which means that I expect markets to change massively this month. But again, I'm going to stick with my system. And the next month, I'll reoptimize with the new data.
Okay, so you covered a lot of things there. I think we can come back to some of those. I think that was, I think for someone who's just stumbling across this YouTube channel and saw AI, lunar, stock trader, maybe it was a lot of information, but I'm glad you mentioned the PDT rule because that's something that is a barrier to entry for a lot of new traders who have a smaller account where they're basically prohibited from over trading.